she is. Here she is. Hello.
Look.
How are you?
I'm great.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
What's your name?
My name's Darcy Lynn.
Okay, and Darcy, who's that?
My name's Petunia.
It talks.
Is it a bunny?
Yes.
Is that a real bunny? Well, we're going to find out. Okay. And Darcy, why did you both decide to enter the show?
Well, it was one of my big dreams. But also, I would really like to keep ventriloquism alive because it's not common, you know? So,
Well, listen, Darcy, best of luck. I really hope you both do
thank
well.
you so much.
All right, good luck.
Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Hit it. Wait, you're gonna sing? Mm-hmm. Oh, boy.
Wow. Wow.
One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing.
Oh my gosh.
Then you'll spread your wings and you'll take to the sky. But till that morning, there ain't nothing can harm you. So hush, little baby, don't you
You know what's really sweet? Your puppet, I'm guessing, is exactly like you. Very charming and adorable. You made my heart melt. You were brilliant. I'm trying to describe how amazing it was. You know what?
And if it happened when I wasn't don't forget it's somewhere this could be the end of everything. So I believe somewhere in the
I wish I could be down there with Mama.
You are so adorable and so sweet. Oh my God. Thank you for coming on the show. I bet you wasn't expecting that, was you? No. Come here. Oh. Well done.
Well, Darcy, you are going straight to the live show.